Welcome to our video this time. Now we got something special. We are doing 2-in-1 Galaxy Putty with bonus moon sand. We got 3 of these guys and we're just gonna have fun with it. So what are we waiting for? Let's just do it. But before we do, don't forget to subscribe, like, but most importantly, keep on watching. There we have it. We are checking out the Galaxy Putty with bonus moon sand. So let's just open the first one and see how it is. Wow! It's so squishy. What? So squishy. And this is the sand. Let's check the sand out if we can. I don't know how to open a sand, but this keeps happening to us. We don't know how to open things. But yes, let's just start with the putty. Already there's a car inside this one. I think we can just open our putties. Let's open the next one. Oh, we got to send out right away here. Whoa. See the sand. Looks fantastic. See the colors. It looks great. It looks amazing.
Yeah. Ja. Daar af een beestje met jou. Ja. Nee. Oh, dat is precies. We gaan something. Denken.
We have the sand out and it looks great. Colors are popping on this. It's crazy. Let's go around the table.
Oh,
Let's see what people are doing.
Sand. Oh, sand.
I think this one is putting a sand in the putty. I don't think that is a good idea, but let's see how it goes. I'm gonna take the camera off and I'm just gonna shoot this. Hello? Hello? Let's see what we have. Let's start with our dog. He's really excited about this putty. Our dog is really excited about this. He's not sleeping at all. He's very excited. Oh, you put the sand in it. I don't think that is a good idea. And there's a lot going on. There's another car going into this one. Our dog got woken up, so she's not happy about that. She's going back to sleep, I guess. Little stretch. Then she goes to sleep on our subscribe pillow. Subscribe! Don't forget about that. If you like our dog, subscribe. Nah, I'm just kidding. There are more cars going into the putty or slime. It's more kind of like slime if you ask me. There's a lot going on here, a lot. This one has sand in his for some reason. Maybe we can. Whoa!
Papa, take a look. Feeling.
Whoa! This one is kinda funky looking. They're all pretty funky looking. Oh, they stick to your. They really stick. They really stick. Ha! What is going on with this guy? What are you doing, John? Do I need to get the sand out? It will not be easy. I don't think putting the sand in it was a good idea. But hey, it's a little bit dry. I think we're getting a lot out. So it's okay to put the sand in it. You'll maybe lose a few grains of sand doing this.
Yeah.
Most of it we are getting out with good results.
Yeah.
We're surprised about that.
Yeah.
We're surprised about that. And it's not even wet. Just going great.
This not face and face cream.
Can get all the sand out, so that is kinda an issue. But ha! Ah, it's very sticky. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Now it's that sticky.
You'll get it back inside. You'll get it back. You'll get it back. Oh, damn it. It was not a good move on our part. This is kind of like slime. We are thinking this is not a putty, this is a slime.
That is a slime.
It's crazy. Not a good judgment call on our part doing this.
But the slime is invisible.
Really not a good idea to handle a camera then get slime all over your hand. So if a camera is a little bit rocky, that's on me, that's on me. We need to clean our hand a little bit. Because this is kinda insane. It's kinda insane. Love how crazy this is. And we got another car going into the slime. So finally, we are out. But not fully. This is crazy. Oh yeah. And just cars going into our slime left and right. But yeah, we recommend doing this. This is crazy fun. It's a lot of fun. It's basically just magic sand and a putty. You can argue it's slime. We are gonna argue it's slime. It's super fun. It's a galaxy putty with bonus moon sand. It's amazing. We recommend doing this. Recommend it a lot. Now we're just gonna. Now we're just gonna play. Sorry for language. I'm going to shut up, say nothing. We're just gonna play with it.
sem hún ekki. Okay. Look at there, bud. A gushy. Look at here. Gushy. Help.
Where is Squishy? You'll definitely have to clean up after this. Definitely.
Move up. Yes. Move up, G. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, fine. I'm making a class. Class to Brian.
Dog is still sleeping.
I don't know. That's it. No. Oh no! Oh no! Well. Lutan. Nuin matikan salme.
So like you see, there's a lot going on. And this has been a blast, a literal blast. You got slime, putty, whatever, sand, and together you get slime sand. But we are not going to keep this any longer. We recommend checking this out. It's a galaxy putty with a bonus moon sand inside, 2 in 1. It's super fun to play with. We recommend using cars. We are awesome for this. If our dog moves out of the way, subscribe, like, but most importantly, most of all, Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.